Okay, so what they might ask is something like, they'll say the first difference of a quadratic sequence is an arithmetic series. And calculate the sum of the first 20 numbers of that arithmetic sequence. So, again, they could say the first difference of a quad series is an arithmetic sequence. Calculate the sum of the first 20 differences. So it sounds quite complicated, but this first bit here, the first difference of a quadratic series is an arithmetic sequence, is just telling you what you already know. Because if we look at the first difference of these, we get 23, 17, and 11. And we get 6 and 6. So we see that there's a common difference. So this is always going to be an arithmetic series. So all we do is then find the arithmetic series, and then this becomes our arithmetic series: 11, 17, and 23. And so it's got a difference of 6 and an A, difference of 6 and an A of 3. And so you could simply just use the formula for the sum of an arithmetic series, which is n over 2. What is it? 2a minus n minus times d, I think. Oh, I think it's plus, yeah. And you've got your a, and you've got your d. And they asked you for the 20, so you could just say S20 equals 20 over 2, 2 times A, which is A was 11. I don't know why I put that. A is 11. Yeah, A is the first term, which is 11. 20 minus 1 times the difference, which is 6. Carry it on here, so that becomes 10 times 22. 19 times 6, so 140. Okay, so this is going to be 136 times 10, 1,360. So this, what seems like a complicated one, is just, basically it's not really testing you on quadratic sequences. It's testing you on arithmetic sequences. And just knowing that the first difference, which they've already told you, is an arithmetic sequence. So that's the type of thing that they could do. So they can combine quadratic and arithmetic sequences.